Hello, this is Michael at My Crooked Road Homestead. Hope everyone's getting along all right today. Well, I've been out here trying to start this tiller this morning, and I'm not having any luck with it. But my friend's supposed to be out later on today. I'm going to see if I can get him to help me get this thing started. It's been set, and you know, uh, all the other times I've tried to start this motor, it started right up, but for some reason it's not wanting to start. Uh, I don't know. I'll have him come look at it. And when they come out, well, they're supposed to be bringing me some feed today for the chickens, and so we'll see if we can get her going. But it's a real pretty day today. The wind's blowing a little bit. Look at my flags out there on the ground. You can see the flag waving on the ground out there for my shadow. But uh, first thing I want to say to everyone is I'm sorry that I blew up yesterday on that last video that I made. But I'll tell you what, it just upset me so bad that I had to make a statement. And I'm not going to go into depth about it, but I do appreciate all the good response that I got from people that did support me. I want to thank each and every one of you for your kind comments that you left for me. You know, it hurt me to have to get rid of cash. It really did. But sometimes we just have to do things that we really don't want to, but we know we have to. So, but that's all that's going to be said about it. I won't mention him anymore. But anyway, it's just a beautiful day out today. You know, I love these springtime days. But I'm trying to get this tiller going so I can get around there where I used to keep cash, and I can get that all tilled up and maybe get some grass to growing back in there where he's dug all them holes and everything around there. Uh, he uh, he left me quite a little mess, but I'm getting it cleaned up. Just like that stuff laying out there by that fire pit. Well, he pulled every bit of that crap out of there. I didn't do it, but I'm the one that has to clean it up. Same way with this down here. He drug it out from that trash I've got over there. Uh, my friend's supposed to be bringing my burn barrel back today, so when he brings it back, well, then I'm gonna get all this trash around here burn up that I've got laying around. You know, I keep those feed sacks. You can see all them feed sacks I've got laying around. Well, I keep those because I put my garbage in them and then I burn them. But Hank borrowed my burn barrel. He had some stuff he was wanting to burn at his house, so I let him have it. Well, I told him, I said, I need my burn barrel back. So hopefully today he'll bring it back out. I can get this stuff cleaned back up and get my place back up in shape. Uh, you know, I've got today's the 4th of March. So I've got 3 more days until my birthday. And that doe out there, she's due on the 8th, day after my birthday. So, and you know, I've been watching her, and she is getting bigger, like she's not big enough already. You know, that rabbit out there, that doe I've got, she weighs right at 15 pounds or a little bit over 15 pounds. And the buck, he's about 14 and a half pounds. But uh, this 3-hole rabbit tractor that I have here, I'm going to get it uh, finished up. So when she has these youngins, I'll have a place to put them in this 3-hole pen that I've got here. I've got plenty of feeders for them, and I've got plenty of those big water uh, bottles for them. So, but I got to get some more tarps. I got that tarp there it needs to be replaced. I've got that one laying on top of that propane tank up there, so I can get that one. But I need to go to Harbor Freight and get me a couple more of these. They have to be 5 by 7 foot tarps is what they are, and that's worked out perfect. It's I've got that blue tarp under it. You can see it there on the end. I got that blue tarp under it where the holes have gotten in it, but just from it flapping and all that, they they don't last for very long, but they're better than not having anything over them. So I'm real happy about that. That that tractor is the only way to go. I should have done that long time ago because I can just move it. I don't have to rake that poop and all that up. All I have to do is move it and then mow over it, and then all that poop goes back when it rains and stuff and breaks down, goes back into my soil. So I'm real happy with that too. But anyway, well, I'm going to get off of here. But as I've always said, and again, thank you for your support. Really do appreciate it. But as I always say, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give me a thumbs up, share it with others, hit the notification bell. Be sure to leave me a comment. Have a blessed day, and I will see you on the next one. Okay, bye.